For today's assignment 16.1, we are looking at regressions of all three types. So just to remind you, a regression means you go stat, edit, you type in a table, and you get an equation based off of the table that you've typed. So this is called a performance assessment. So we are not going to talk you through every single thing, but I want to make sure you understand this situation and what we're asking you to do. There are no notes for today because you know how to put a table into stat edit. And so we need you to think through these different situations. You've been given the opportunity to invest between $1,000 and $5,000. You must choose the best bank to invest your money in based on different scenarios. We have created a worksheet to help you organize your thoughts, so use it wisely. For Bank A, every year we will add $2,000 to your account. Bank B, you will get $1 for the first year, and then each year the amount added to your account will increase by $2 more than the year before. Bank C, every year they will increase your money by 0.1%. So you take a second before completing any research. Which bank do you think you'll get the most money for after 1 year, 3 years, or 5 years? So right here, you're just listing Bank A, Bank B, Bank C, whichever one you think will be the better deal. So you might have the same bank for all of them. You might change up your answer based on the amount of time. So you go ahead and fill that in. Then on the tables, you are going to create these tables based on the situations. Once you've finished, identify the type of function and the equation. So up at the top, it tells you that you can start out with $1,000 to $5,000. You get to choose how much money you start with. That number should be the same in all three of these boxes. So you basically right now are choosing a number between $1,000 and $5,000, and you're filling it into all three of these. Go. Pause this video if you need. Then Bank A, every year they're adding $2. So from this number, you would add $2, add $2, add $2, the whole way down. Bank B, you're going to get $1 for the first year. So you would add $1 for the first year. And then each year, it will increase by 2 more than the year before. So the last year you got $1, we're going to increase that by $2. So now you're going to get $3. We're going to increase that by $2, so now you get $5. We're going to increase that by $2, so now you get $7, and so on and so forth. And then Bank C, every year they will increase your money by 0.01%. So this is like an exponential function. I'm kind of giving you a hint here. An exponential based on what we just finished. So you're going to take your money and multiply it by 1.01, and that's how you fill this in. So this is times 1.01 times 1.01. I don't have space, but do a times here. So then you're going to identify if those are linear, quadratic, or exponential. I will give you a hint that you should have one of each. So one of these is linear, one of these is quadratic, and one of these is exponential. Then to get your equation, you're going to put your table in stat edit and run the linear, if it's option 4 linear, option 5 quadratic, or option 0 for exponential. Then using your table, draw a chart to help you see what those are looking like. And then explain when each bank would give you the best return. This can come from the table or the graph. And then answer these 4 questions based on the situation. So that's all we're doing today. So make sure you spend some time to get it done. This is something that we have to turn into our school district. So make sure you get it turned into your teacher.